Yeah, definitely. Actually, overall, my schooling from Hindi medium.
Okay.
Yeah. Currently, I'm teaching in CBSE school,
Okay.
and so I feel that I should improve my communication skill and
Okay.
work on my spoken English.
Chandan Singh is very good teachers. Very
Yes,
good, and her styles and her speaking, everything is very good.
yes, yes,
Actually, even I am following
yes, yes. Actually,
all what I have learned through
yeah,
Chandan Singh. Yes, Chandan
actually,
sir. Because
actually,
when I started learning English, so that times I wanted to join Chandan
yes,
Singh's classes, but because of some reason I couldn't join any classes. But I sent a message to Chandan Singh. Actually, sir, I want to join your classes. Please let me know how to join. So then Chandan Singh replied me as a Gmail. Okay, actually, I would like to tell you. I think I want to know about your opinion. I think what is the important knowledge and beauty according to your perception?
knowledge and
Beauty.
beauty. Okay.
Yes.
If you want to my perception, so I'm always prefer knowledge,
Okay.
knowledge, not beauty, because beauty is like a outer part, and intelligence, and knowledge. Knowledge. If you have knowledge and intelligence and logical thinking, so you easily pass any situation, any problem.
Yes, exactly.
But you have a beauty, and you haven't any knowledge, so you always struggle in your personal
Yes.
life and professional life and everything. So
Yes,
you,
exactly. Yes, when you don't have more much knowledge, so I think it's useless to get your beauty.
yes, yes, yes,
So I think according to me, knowledge is very important.
yes,
Very,
yes,
very important. If you have more much knowledge, you get everything,
yes, yes,
which you want.
yes,
So I think knowledge is very important.
yes. Even I want to my life partner like not a good looking, but
Okay. Okay,
yeah,
it's okay. Not
mentally,
a beauty. I think every person have a inner beauty.
yes,
Inner beauty is very important than face beauty.
yes,
So inner beauty is very important. Yes.
yeah. So and yeah,
Please don't say something like this. If your wife will watch your video,
yeah, yeah.
how to handle a situation something like this?
Yeah, actually, I have been watching myself for 1 week, because I'm not remain with my consistency with my English
Yes.
job. So
Okay, I can
yeah,
definitely.
so I'm feel
Yes.
I'm very several time lack and facing difficulty.
Actually,
Yeah,
sir, yes, I would like to give the one suggest. Actually, when you start speaking with other person, so please don't feel agitation, don't feel as a nervous, because I am no, I am I think I am feeling something like this, because when you start speaking, with me, so that time you feel as a agitation, as a I think underconfidence, lack of confidence. So please don't think as if every person same is a same like me, because I am not perfect. I am also learner as you. So
be-
that's why I am learning English. Yes. So
because
please don't.
yeah,
Yes.
because this has happened since 4 and 5 days something.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes. Okay. It's okay. I
I,
can. Yes, I can
I,
understand.
because nowadays I'm demotivated.
Okay. No.
Motivated.
Actually, I
I
am.
don't know why I'm
Yes.
feel. Yeah,
Actually, I'm not perfect. I know. Yes, sometimes, many times I make the lots of mistake while speaking English, but I have a good habit, because when I speak with other persons, so that times I don't feel like a lack of confidence. I don't feel agitation, because this times I am making the wrong. No, please
yeah,
speak. I say without, I think feel something like this, because I am making the wrong. I am not good, and other. Please don't compare as a other person.
yes, yes, yes,
Actually,
yeah,
you are perfect. I know, because
yeah.
you are speaking, you are talking like a advanced English words. You are using in your conversation. So this time I'm not perfect, but I can speak with the confidence.
Yeah, because I'm not consistent with my practice, so I feel very underconfident. while
No,
speaking someone. So I don't know why this is
actually, yes, I speak. I talked with the native speaker. So even then, I didn't feel like agitation, like lack of confidence. I don't know why, but I have a, I think, good habit because when I started I started speaking English. So that times I talked different peoples and different countries, and even then I didn't feel like agitation, like a lack of confidence. I know I am not perfect. I am making the lots of mistake. Even I am making the mistake lots of while
also I'm
speaking.
also
Yes.
actually I don't know what is happening nowadays.
Actually, your English is good, but you are stucking because of your agitation and your lack of confidence.
Actually, you can watch my previous videos. I'm perform very well, but nowadays I'm feeling very nervous and
Yes,
demotivated.
yes,
I don't
same,
know why.
yes, same thing. I have, I think this happened with me. Same thing because when talked, I talked with a native speaker, no, not dehati madams.
I'm
Do you know
also
dehati?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
So that times I talked with her. So I don't know why, because that times I felt very nervous and very lack of confidence. Because before talking her, I talked with a native speaker.
Yes.
Even then, I think I was very nervous that time. I don't know why. I think it happens. Every person don't. But please don't think about other.
Yeah,
Only speak. Yes, without agitation, without a lack of confidence. As yes,
yeah. Actually, I'm always believe on this formula. Practice make perfect.
yes. Practice. Practice is very necessary. Without practice, actually, when I didn't, I don't take the one session in my. I think in the whole day. I skipped, I skipped taking the, I think, session. So
Session.
that times I feel something like this. I think I am not able to speak English. This times definitely I will make the wrong and I will I think I will not able to speak with other person.
Yeah. So every day to try to take at least one session.
Yes, yes, because I am trying to take the one session.
Yeah,
Because
good.
practice is very necessary, and I have another application, Hybro application, I think.
I
So
yeah.
Hybro, yes. So that times
As
if I,
you can
yes,
use
I don't.
fluency as
Yes,
fluency.
please.
You can use as fluency also.
Yes, yes, I used.
Yeah.
So this times I am using Hybro application.
Okay. Okay.
Recently I have downloaded.
So I
Yes. So
use.
because sometimes I don't take the initiation and I don't have the practice. So then I decided I should have the one conversation with other person.
Yes.
So then use that application.
Yeah, very good. It's a very good. You can use as fluency and other application. Talk for talk. Talk for
Yes.
talk. Yeah. So is those applications are very good for voice conversation only, not
Yes.
video. Only voice
Yes.
conversation. Yeah.
Yes, because when I started speaking with myself as a make made the video. So that times I don't I didn't speak very well, as only give the introduction, take the introduction, that's it. And when it comes to speak with other person, so that times I get stuck, because that times I start I start translating English to Hindi.
Yeah. If you always try to translating, so
But this time,
it's not
yes, but
possible.
this
It's
time,
not
yes,
possible.
yes, I think that habit removed. It was removed because of my because practice.
Practice. Practice.
This times I can speak English directly, and this times any words comes in my mind, and then I speak with you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now you are speaking very well, and
Okay.
uh,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
yeah, yeah. Now this session I feel you speak very well. So continue your journey and don't
Okay.
take
Same here. Actually, so
don't
I'm so glad to have talked with you, and
also
seriously, you are a very nice person, and I think nice to talk with you.
yeah.
So I will meet up next time with one topic.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, definitely, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
Sir, can you upload this video?
yes, yes,
Do you want to upload this video?
yeah. If you permitted, then I upload on my channel.
Okay. Okay. You can upload video, and also I want to upload this video, but I will edit some part of
Yeah,
video.
I'm also after editing this video.
Please,
For
yes, you first of all you can upload the video, and then I will check your video, and after that I will edit all the part of this video, and then I will upload. Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. So thank you. Bye bye.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Okay. Same here, sir. Same here.